Ako po si Paulo Diet, Sable Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 14 meters. Printer head clean, nozzle check, punas ng wiper at capping after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. EVR naka 220 volts. Ink storage, ito yung used and yung unused. Dito naman po yung Sable paper. Monitoring ng cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and yung Sable roll. Sable daily output record. Printer daily checklist.